Ready to get moving? Come on, let's go. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you're here for the first time, thank you for joining. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like more support beyond YouTube, you can always connect with me at sunnytlc.com. Thank you so much. Let me ask you something. What's the lower half of your body made up of? Your legs, right? Now, what do your legs do? They walk, they run, they skip, they hop. They climb stairs, they dance, they carry you wherever you want to go in your life. In other words, your legs are made to move. And if half your body is made for movement, don't you think that says something about what life is meant to be? You were made to move, not to sit still, not to stay stuck, not to shut down. Even when you're standing still, your body is not still. Your body is moving. Your blood is moving. Your heart is pumping. Your cells are dancing under a microscope. The only time your body stops moving is when life has left it. When it's done. When you're no longer here. But you are here, which means life is still flowing through you. And life is motion. Life is movement. And movement is medicine. When we move, our energy flows, our mind clears, and our body begins to heal itself. Most people who feel stuck, sad, or down, they aren't moving much. They're sitting and lying in bed, and they're just scrolling and endlessly and just watching life pass them by. But they are not moving. You can't be stuck and moving at the same time. You can't be depressed when you're dancing and singing and laughing. You can't smile and stay sad. You can't jump around and stay stuck. Just give it a try. Turn on a song and dance for just 30 seconds. See what happens. And this is not just about physical movement. Emotionally, spiritually, and mentally, you are also meant to move. You're meant to grow, to evolve, to go from one season of your life to another. You're not here to stay in one place, not in your body and not in your life. If you've been feeling stuck, I'm here to gently nudge you. That's right, get up. Move your legs, shake your arms, laugh, stretch, walk, dance. Movement reminds your body that it is alive. And when your body knows it's alive, your energy begins to wake up also. So today, just move. Even if it's just a little, take one step. Do one stretch. Move through one emotion. That's all it takes to shift your whole life. Because you, my friend, were made to move. And your life is waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, please connect with me at sunnytlc.com. Now, get moving and feel the life inside you again. Blessings. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, tap that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I post new content.